Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Anonymous mode prevents Reddit from saving your activity to your signed-in account. Use it when you want to browse privately without creating new accounts. The app isolates searches, upvotes, and viewed posts from your main profile. Anonymous mode does not hide your traffic from your ISP or employer. It also does not block targeted ads beyond Reddit tracking. Consider additional layers like private browsing and VPN for stronger privacy. Always log out of anonymous mode to resume normal account tracking. To enable anonymous mode in the Reddit mobile app, open the app and tap your avatar 3 times. In Quick Settings, select Anonymous and then confirm the toggle to start a private session. The app shows a banner that indicates you are browsing anonymously. For desktop use, a browser's incognito window to avoid saving cookies and history. Create a throwaway account for longer anonymous interactions without linking to your main account. Remember to explicitly exit anonymous mode when finished to restore normal tracking. After finishing an anonymous session, clear your app cache and delete cookies to reduce local traces. If you need stronger privacy, use a reputable VPN or Tor to hide your network traffic from your ISP. Avoid signing into personal accounts while browsing anonymously because that reassociates activity with your identity. Use two-factor authentication on your main account to protect it while testing anonymous browsing. Consider uninstalling the app or removing permissions if you need a clean slate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.